everyone, it's Michelle from the Manhattan-Elwood Public Library. We're here for another SIP Science experiment, shelter-in-place science that you can do from home with things you have at home. So today we're going to make something called Oobleck, or a colloid. It is both a liquid and a solid at the same time, which is kind of tricky when you think about it. Now this is kind of a messy experiment, but it's also perfectly safe, and our youngest scientists can dig their hands in right away to enjoy it as well. So what do we need? We need a pan to put our colloid in, something shallow and kind of larger like this. We're going to need some cornstarch, about 4 cups, and we're going to need some cool water. Now to get started, I usually always say we need our safety goggles, and I'm going to put mine on. You don't necessarily have to put yours on because there are no harsh chemicals. I always like to put them on for safety, so find out what the grown-up in your life would like you to do. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to put in 4 cups. Oof. Of cornstarch. What did I tell you? This is a messy one, huh? Got my backup cornstarch right here. Woo. Very fun. Now, when you first want to feel this, it feels very, very soft and very fluffy. Now we're going to add some water and see what happens. 2 cups of cool water. Let's try mixing that up. Remember, messy hands. All right, see, and I can feel it. It's very easy for me to move it around when I'm being gentle, but as soon as I try to get rough with it, I can feel it freezing up on me. So let's see what happens next. Let's put in a little more water, our 2nd cup of cool water. All right, we're going to mix that up. All right. Yeah, it's already doing it. Let's add some more water. Can you see how it gets really stiff when I get in there? All right, let's see. Mixing it up. All right. Now you can see as I'm picking it up, it's nice and stiff. And then it oozes back into liquid when it goes back into the water. So it's liquid and a solid right now. So I can hit it and ooze into it at the same time. It looks like a liquid as we're splashing around, but hit it and then you ooze in. All right, so go ahead and let your youngest scientists try this out. I suggest doing it outside where if they get messy, you can just turn the hose on them and clean them off before they come back inside. This has been another episode of SIP Science. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.